Uyuni Salt Flat, Bolivia, the world's largest mirror. The Uyuni Salt Flat in Bolivia is a place like no other, a landscape that defies the ordinary and leaves every visitor in awe. Imagine standing on a vast, glistening salt flat that stretches over 4,000 square miles, creating an endless horizon that blends earth and sky. During the rainy season, the Uyuni Salt Flat transforms into the world's largest natural mirror, reflecting the heavens above so perfectly that it feels like you're walking on clouds. This massive mirror effect makes it feel as though you've entered a dreamscape, where every step you take looks like a surreal journey into another dimension. For photographers, Uyuni is a playground of endless possibilities. Every angle offers something breathtaking, and the changing skies throughout the day, from the soft pastels of dawn to the fiery colors of sunset, are mirrored back in all their glory. You can capture reflections that stretch to infinity, with mountains and clouds doubled on the ground beneath your feet. Even seasoned photographers are left in awe by the way Uyuni captures light, shadow, and color, creating the perfect canvas for unforgettable photos. Here, your camera becomes your key to capturing moments that are unlike anything else on Earth. If you're seeking a sense of wonder and mystery, Uyuni has that too. Walking across the salt flats feels otherworldly, as if you're on another planet. When the flats are dry, the cracked salt formations create hexagonal patterns stretching as far as the eye can see, giving you a chance to see nature's artistry up close. Nearby, visit the ancient train cemetery where rusty locomotives from the early 20th century sit abandoned, adding a touch of history and surreal charm to the experience. Every part of Uyuni seems crafted to spark curiosity and invite you into a world full of unique sights and stories. A trip to Uyuni isn't just about seeing something beautiful. It's about feeling a sense of vastness and calm that only a place this immense can provide. As you walk across this vast salt flat, whether it's under a clear blue sky or reflected in a sheet of water, you feel connected to the natural world in an entirely new way. Visiting Uyuni is like touching the clouds while still grounded on Earth, and it's an experience that will stay with you long after you've left this Bolivian wonderland.